Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out these Matrix products, Tonal Control Pre-Bonded Gel Toner Multi-Dimensional, just reading the box here, and then this 10 developer. I got these for free from Instagram. I get a lot of stuff for free through Instagram ads. Just be on the lookout if you use Instagram and you're scrolling and you see a sponsored ad, they might be giving something away. Click on it. I've gotten so much for free. So we're gonna try these out and see if they're any good. Now my hair doesn't look that bad right now. It's a little bit yellow, especially more towards the root. So we're gonna see if this will do anything to my hair. It's definitely not gonna do anything to the root. Toner will not affect brown hair at all if you were curious. I did let my roots grow out a little extra because in the next video, or maybe the one after, I wanted to try to do like a shadow root thing. Maybe with a copper red color. But for now, we're gonna try this. This is 9V Iced Out, if you were curious which one it was. This is what the directions say. Use exclusively with Matrix 10 Volume Cream Developer, which is what this is. Do not use with hydrogen peroxide greater than 10 volume. Use only the proportions indicated. Do not use to color eyelashes or eyebrows. Wear gloves. Mix 2 ounces Tonal Control colorants with 2 ounces Matrix Cream Developer. Standard processing time is 20 minutes at room temperature. Do not use with metal tools. Rinse hair well after processing time. There you go. That's generally the normal rules of most toners to developers, but always make sure you're reading the directions anyway, even if you think you know what you're doing. So this does say 2 ounces to 2 ounces, yet this is 3 ounces right here. We can just start with 2 ounces, I guess. It does say a 1-to-1 ratio right there. So really, regardless of how much you use, you just have to use an equal amount of each one. Use the entire thing. I can't get any more out. This is not 3 ounces. This is 2.61 ounces. And even if my scale were off a little, I don't think it would be off that much. So let me show you just to prove it. 2.61 ounces. It's a nice shiny purplish color. It smells kind of good. So yeah, I'm gonna add the toner now. I don't know how I managed it, but I got the exact amount I was supposed to. That never happens. This is 8 ounces, by the way, and I used exactly 2.61 ounces. Let me show you. This is what it looks like before I stir, but 2.61 ounces. Yay me. This is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. It's a light purple color, kind of shimmery, shiny looking, iridescent kind of pearlescent, if that's what you want to call it. Yeah, let's put this in my hair. Now we wait 20 minutes and we shall see what happens. Actually, as always, I rinse this out and then I go to bed and then I let it air dry and then I'll let you see what it looks like in the morning. I'll also let you see what it looks like wet, but we won't really know the full effect until it's dry in the morning. So like I said, you can't really see much right now because it's wet, but it does look a little bit different than normal. I don't know if you can really tell because these bright overhead lights, but you will know for sure in the morning when I wake up and it's dry. So I will see you then. It's the next day and my hair is dry and I think it did do something. It's really nice. It's a lot lighter, more of a frosty color. I feel like maybe it even left a bit of a sheen, a bit of a tint. It's not super purple or anything, but it looks a little bit like maybe there's a purplish pearlescent tint going on there. So yes, it worked. It is nice. I liked it. If you use it, you'd probably like it too. I don't know if they're still doing giveaways on Instagram, but if so, what you should do is just look up Matrix and then look through like their posts and stuff and follow them, and then eventually you'll probably see like the giveaway. Sign up for that and hopefully you get something for free too. Thank you for watching.